Welcome to our quick guide on maximizing user engagement with the website Copilot deployment option. Let's explore what this deployment option is best for. Whether you're a website owner, digital marketer, customer service manager, web developer, or e-commerce business, this feature is designed to streamline your interactions with customers. Experience innovative engagement with seamless deployment that won't disrupt your existing setup. Let's explore how to use it. Sign in to your custom GPT app. First, go to your project settings. Navigate to Sharing. Click on Website Copilot and enable it. Customize the button text to fit your website style and tone. Curious to know what it looks like? Let's ask Custom GPT some questions and see how it responds. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit customgpt.ai.